In this discussion, we will discuss about the use of the online searching mode of the endnote to search the data from the different databases. For example, here you can see an endnote file is open and it contains a lot of references and number of references are 821. And so now I want to search the references from the online search mode of the EndNote, and for that I have to integrate it with the library. I have clicked on that. There are a number of online search modes, or you can say number of databases from where we can search data. For me, now I'm clicking on the permit. I want to connect my EndNote with the permit, so I'm connecting it. So now my EndNote is within the online search mode. Here from the search option within the title I can search the data. For example, I want to search avian influenza and the EndNote is searching. There are 8,165 articles on avian influenza. Uh, And here again, you should notice that all these articles contains avian influenza word in their titles. For example, if I want to change here from here, I am interested to search search the data on the basis of the abstract. For example, I want to know if the word avian influenza is used within the abstract, that then how many articles are present within the within the permit, so that I can import those references within my EndNote library of the system computer. I am searching it, and there are 15,013 references, records related to avian influenza in the permit. If I want to select the option abstract, here all the abstract which are present within the permit are can be searched from the EndNote. Oh, then I'm canceling it. I don't want to download all these references. Then if I want to search on the basis of journal, for example, I want to search in the title. There must be, for example, in the title must be even influenza, but in the journal I want these articles from the poultry science. So I have to write here poultry science. So here you will see that the number of references will decrease. In the first step, we have searched the data on the basis of the title options and then search for the permit. Then from the title, we have changed its option to the abstract. So the number of references, number of records within the permit increased. And then now I am searching within the poultry science journal. The article should contain avian influenza word. So I'm clicking it, I'm searching it. There are only 78 articles published within the Poultry Science Journal, and their titles contain avian influenza. So I'm clicking OK. When I will click OK, these references will be imported within the within this online mode of the EndNote library. Only 20 until now, 40, 60, and 78. So total references which are on the PubMed and within the journal Poultry Science and the title have the word avian influenza are imported in the online mode of the EndNote library. Now, if I want to save these references within my local library, for that I have highlighted one by clicking on one references. Then I am selecting all the references by clicking Control plus A option. With my keyboard, all the references are highlighted. Then with the option Control X, I am cutting it or other way, uh, cutting it, and then here you can see I am clicking on my local library. Here, local library, I am going to the local library and I am clicking here, then I am pasting the references, 78 references which I have downloaded by the use of the online mode of the endnote library. I have clicked here, so these are 78 references which were in the journal Political Science and have the word avian influenza in their title. Then similarly, again I'm selecting, I'm repeating in conclusion, I'm repeating that how to use the online mode. You can select any database. I'm selecting PubMed, and then on the basis of author, journals, titles, then any other option which are listed in the list, I can search the data from the PubMed or any other library to which you have connected the EndNote by using the online search mode. I hope you understand. If you have any questions related to the use of online search mode of the EndNote library, let me know in the comments. I will try to answer. Thank you so much.